In a world of fierce predators like lions and tigers, the wolf's power is different. It doesn't seek the spotlight or dominance. It thrives in the wild. It's born to roam free, to lead with instinct, and to embody untamed spirit. The wolf, a symbol of strength, loyalty, and wisdom. In the wilderness, their lives offer lessons we can apply to our own. In the harshest conditions, the wolf doesn't surrender. It adapts, finds a way, and keeps moving forward. Life may be tough, but resilience is the key to overcoming adversity. Wolves rely on their instincts to navigate their world. In a noisy world, we must learn to trust our inner voice. Wolves thrive within their pack. They show us that teamwork and unity are essential. Alone, a wolf is vulnerable. Together, they are unstoppable. In the wolf pack, every member respects the hierarchy. They balance leadership with cooperation. Respect for guidance brings order and purpose. Even in unity, wolves never lose their wild spirit. They remind us to embrace our individuality, find moments of solitude, and reconnect with our true selves. As the wise often say, live your life like a wolf, fierce yet compassionate, strong yet adaptable. Trust your instincts, embrace your wild spirit, and walk your path with courage and purpose. In every step, be free, be loyal, and above all, true to yourself.